We live in a time where working one job often isn't enough. And while the internet's filled with get-rich-quick scams and fake gurus, there are real people making real money on the side. Today, we're diving into two legit side hustles that actually pay. No fake screenshots, no make $10,000 a week from your phone. Just honest, creative ways to earn extra income, proven by people who did it. Let's start small, literally, with microservices. These are short, specific tasks people pay for online. Things like writing a single product description, designing a YouTube thumbnail, or editing a 30-second video clip. The average freelancer on a platform like Fiverr or Upwork isn't making six figures, but the top 10% often earn more than they do in their 9-to-5. Take Maya, a college student who started editing TikToks for $25 a clip. Within 6 months, she was charging $200 per video and editing for major influencers full-time. So what's the secret? It's not about being able to do everything. In a saturated market, the key is to specialize. Don't be a general graphic designer, be the designer who creates logos specifically for tech startups.
Instead of being a generic writer, be the writer who specializes in email campaigns for sustainable brands. By identifying your unique value, you stop competing with everyone and start attracting clients who need exactly what you offer. And as the market evolves, so do the skills in demand. We're seeing a huge need for freelancers who can implement AI chatbots, offer cybersecurity advice, or design user experiences for augmented reality. The trick is to focus on one specific skill and do that one thing better or more reliably than anyone else. Suddenly, the internet starts finding you. Because the truth is, you don't need to be the best in the world. You just need to be dependable. Next, a business model that has quietly minted thousands of new entrepreneurs. Print on demand. Here's how it works. You create a design for a t-shirt, a mug, a tote bag, and upload it to a service. When someone buys it, a third-party company prints and ships it for you. There's no inventory, no warehouse, just your creativity. Back in 2024, a teacher from Texas named Jordan uploaded a single design to Etsy that said, "Coffee, kids, coffee."
Chaos. By Christmas, it had sold over 8,000 times. And while that sounds like luck, it rarely is. Success in print on demand is about finding a niche and creating a strong brand identity around it. Take the brand Afro Unicorn. It started as a print on demand store in 2019. And by 2023, it was in over 3,000 retail locations, earning $15 million in revenue. They didn't just sell products, they sold an identity. It's a game of emotion. People don't buy a design, they buy what that design says about them. This means doing the research. You have to monitor what's trending on marketplaces, understand what your target audience cares about, and create something that speaks directly to them. And today, one of the biggest trends is sustainability. Offering products made from organic cotton or using eco-friendly packaging isn't just a niche, it's a powerful statement that attracts a dedicated customer base. Whether you're a freelancer or a designer, the path is the same. It's about moving from broad appeal to specific value. It's about finding your corner of the internet and serving that community with focus and authenticity. When you do that, the opportunities are real.
This next one's fascinating, and almost no one talks about it. It's called local service reselling. You don't clean houses, mow lawns, or wash cars. Instead, you find the people who do, and you bring them customers. Take the story of Sam, who's 27. He started a pressure washing business without ever owning a pressure washer. He just made a simple website, ran a few Facebook ads, and then outsourced every single job to local contractors he found. He handled the marketing, they handled the labor. The result? In just 6 months, he scaled from $0 to $4,000 a month in pure profit, just by connecting people. It's the modern middleman, but smarter. Because if you can bring customers to a business, you possess a skill that will never run out of ways to earn.
But maybe you're looking to build something that's entirely your own. That brings us to our next idea, niche content creation. And the first rule here is to forget going viral. That's a lottery.
The real money is found in the niche. Think small audiences, but with deep loyalty. It's the reason why a YouTube channel about minimalist apartment design can quietly make more money than a viral meme page with millions of followers. For example, Lena, a nurse, started posting short videos explaining how to read blood test results. She didn't get a massive following, just 20,000 people, but that was more than enough. Soon, she was earning from sponsorships, affiliate links for medical equipment, and even her own ebook. In today's creator economy, the size of your audience matters far less than the trust you build. The final side hustle doesn't just pay you, it compounds over time. It's the idea of creating skill-based digital products. If you've learned something valuable, whether it's budgeting, productivity, graphic design, or even just cooking, you can package that knowledge into a product. A single Notion template that helps people plan their week can sell for $10. Sell it 1,000 times, and that's $10,000. And unlike freelancing, you make it once. But here's the catch. The one thing that stops most people from ever starting.
They think, who would buy from me? The truth is, people don't always want the perfect, flawless expert. They want someone who's just a few steps ahead of them, someone who just figured it out and can show them the way. And that could be you. So we've covered 3 side hustles, 3 different skills, 3 different paths. But one powerful idea connects them all. Ownership. Owning your time, owning your income, and owning the decision to start. Even when it's small, even when no one is watching. You don't need to quit your job or chase some fantasy of overnight fame. But if you pick one skill, and you stay consistent, and you give it just 6 months, your future self will thank you. Because the best side hustle isn't the one that pays the most. It's the one that changes who you become. This isn't just about making money. It's about making freedom.